It does look that way as we head into the weekend and especially next week. But it's a cold morning out there, so we have at least another 24 hours where temperatures will be running well below normal. We are starting off at 9 degrees. That's where we are now in Dayton. A lot of other locations out there are even colder, and we have clear skies, no threat of any precipitation for the morning drive. But watch for some patchy areas where temperatures are a good deal lower. We could have a little bit of ice fog, so that may make the road a bit slick. By noon, sunshine and 20, a big jump for us. We make it to 28 through 5 o'clock. Just a few clouds develop later this afternoon, and the clouds developing and the winds picking up a little bit later today will have temperatures holding fairly steady through the evening, only down to 27 degrees through 7 o'clock. It's 9 degrees right now. Winds have been very light, if not calm, which is what we're seeing right now, so there is not much of a wind chill. Our dew point is 4 degrees, so again, those outlying spots that are colder, closer to the dew points, might have that fog to deal with. Visibility, though, in Dayton has been great at 9 miles. Forecast low this morning, still right around 3 degrees. Bump that up from the previous forecast because the current conditions just aren't quite that cold in town, but the outlying spots are. The record low is 0 back in 1901, so we'll come close to that value as we head towards sunrise. It is 4 degrees in Greenville. You can see some of those colder spots. Tip City has now dropped to 0. It's 1 degree up in Piqua. Sydney is 4, and then 6 degrees over in Tremont City and Mechanicsburg. Everyone is cold. We have high pressure centered right over the region. 0 in Fort Wayne, 0 in Lexington, and 0 down towards Evansville, with Paducah at 1 below. Everyone cold around the center of high pressure. Now on the back side of the high, where we do have a southwest wind developing, St. Louis is 16, and that is what we're going to see gradually as this high shifts east of us over the weekend. We will start to see that warm up push into the Miami Valley. Taking a look at the upper flow for today, we are still located in this trough here, so the cold air is being filtered into the Miami Valley. That'll stay with us for at least one more day, but we get into the weekend and that jet stream will be lifting north, and that'll continue right on into next week as a big ridge of high pressure builds off to the west. A warming trend develops for us here in the Miami Valley. Satellite radar loop shows the clear skies out there. One of the reasons temperatures have been able to get so low, and Future Track shows a lot of sunshine with those clear skies through the day. 5 o'clock looking mostly sunny for the drive home, just a few clouds around, but dry conditions overnight. Now tomorrow morning we'll have to watch the slight chance of a flurry. Couldn't rule out a sprinkle as we head towards lunchtime, but then we'll get back to some drier conditions tomorrow afternoon with partly sunny skies. Today's high a little bit warmer than yesterday, but still well below normal at 28. Lots of sunshine early on. A few clouds develop late today. Will be partly cloudy and cold tonight, dropping to 23. Breezy conditions develop, and the winds stay up tomorrow, so it's not going to be as cold, but the breeze will add a bit of a chill with a high near 40 and that slight chance of a spotty flurry or sprinkle. Your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast right up near 40 again Sunday. Then comes the warm up next week, mid to upper 40s through Tuesday, and 50s for Wednesday and Thursday.